Hello kids, what you can see here? Yes, cute and lovely puppies. Do you have pets at your home? Do you like to play with puppy? Today we are going to discuss about a boy who just goes for a walk, whom he met, that we will find out in our poem Puppy and I of Unit 7. Now let's see the explanation. I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Where are you going to? Man, I said. I said to the man as he went by, down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. Firstly, the boy met a man. They both were walking and talking. The boy asked, where are you going to, man? The man said, down to the village to get some bread. Then after the man asked, will you come with me? The boy replied, no, not I. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. Where are you going to, horse, today? I said to the horse as he went by, down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. Now in second stanza, after talking with man, he met a horse. The boy started talking with horse. What that? Where are you going to, horse, today? The horse replied, down to the village to get some hay. Hay means kids, dried grass. The horse asked boy, will you come with me? The boy said, no, not I. I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by, up in the hills to roll and play. I'll come with you, puppy, said I. Now in this third and last stanza, further walking on and on, the boy met whom the boy met now. Good, puppy. He was walking and talking with puppy. What they both were talking? The boy started with, where are you going this fine day? The puppy answered, up in the hills to roll and play. The boy got happy because he wanted to play with someone, and the puppy was the right choice to go to the hills to roll and enjoy. Lastly, we came to know that boy was very naughty and wanted to play. So, the name of the poem Puppy and I means the boy and puppy, they both want to play with each other. Now we will see some new words. Village. Village means a group of houses and buildings smaller than a town situated in a rural area. Kids, you might have seen when you go to village. Okay. Hills means a naturally raised area of land not as high as a mountain. In vacation, usually we go to hillsides area for resting and relaxing. Next is bread. Bread means food made of flour and baked. Hay. What is the meaning of hay? Very good. Dried grass. You can see how the horse is eating the hay, dried grass. Roll. What is the meaning of roll? Move in a particular direction by turning over and over. See, you can see it clearly how the boy is rolling and enjoying itself and playing. Now the last word is play. Play means engage in a game or activity for enjoyment. So this was all about our poem Puppy and I. Thank you.